In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your G35 Infiniti. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove this screw. Open up the glove box. Inside, there'll be 2 screws on either side. There's a little plastic screw down here. Undo that. Using a small pry tool, pry on the back of this trim and pop it out of this cover. There's 2 clips on the front. You're going to push this panel out. Then we're going to remove the Phillips head screw. Once we do that, remove the 2 screws in the middle. Remove the 2 screws and pull down. You can undo this connector, or you can just leave the glove box like that. Just make sure there's not a lot of tension on it. You're going to push on this tab and remove that cover. Then we're going to remove the old air filter. Install the new cabin air filter. Put the cover back on. Put the left side in first. Then it'll hinge down towards the clip. Push the clip in until it clicks. This little light gets installed into the top of the glove compartment. We can push it back up and clip it into place. Put the 2 screws back in with the hinge. And the 2 screws on either side of the glove box. And close the glove box. Reinstall the Phillips head in the bottom right. This little spot is going to go on the stud in the floor. And we can pop the 2 metal clips into the side. Just like that. I pulled back this door seal just a little bit. I'm going to replace that. Then we're going to clip this trim piece back into place. If it came out of the door sill at all, just tap it down into place. This piece fell out when we removed the glove box. There's two little hooks in the back. Those are going to correspond to two brackets underneath the glove box, and the two clips in the front are going to push straight up and clip in. Replace the little black nut, thread that back onto the stud on the floor. And then put in the Phillips head screw on the bottom left.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.